Have you ever thought about selling cars from your driveway? Maybe just to make a bit of extra cash or to leave your full-time job? Well, I'm doing that. From cheap flips and project cars, so hit the subscribe button to follow my journey, one car at a time, the highs, the lows, the wins, the losses. You're gonna see it all. What is going on, guys? We are back with the 5th episode on the 335i. Now, if you haven't seen any of these episodes before, I bought a £1,000 sight unseen BMW 335i for £1,000, and when it turned up, it was battered. It just looked a mess. You guys said in the comments, restore it back to OEM, and that's what I've done over the last 70 hours and 4 videos. We first unwrapped the car, a challenge in itself because I just didn't want to destroy the paint. Episode 2, we then had to get all the glue off that was fused to the paint. That wrap had been on for 7 years. Episode 3, you guys wanted the wheels back silver. I listened. Silver wheels looked amazing. The calipers are done and the car started to really look nice, ready for me to use this summer. But episode 4 came around and I should have been doing finishing touches, but I just wasn't happy with the quality of the paint, so we wet sanded it. Scariest thing I've ever done, but it came out very, very nice. So today's video, we are doing those finishing touches. We're carrying on where we left off. We're going to get the ceramic coats installed. Last time I installed a ceramic coat, I was in the showroom with the doors closed. The car was in there for 2 or 3 days. We polished it all over the 3 days. Then we applied the ceramic coat. We're on the driveway. We're panel wiping, trying to not get any dust, trying to do the best job we can. If you're a professional, don't abuse me in the comments. But I think we'll get a good result today, and we should get really glossy wet paint and have this thing looking a million miles better than it did when it turned up a month ago. Let's get to work. 70 hours in the making. We are about to lock this paint in, so I've just gone back around and re-polished the car to make sure it's as nice as it can be, that it is as good as I can get it. Now I'm going to go around with some panel wipe and just wipe the car so there's no grease or waxes left on the panels, and then we'll start with this wing and we'll work all our way up, and hopefully we'll see a bit of a difference at the end. But it's already looking so much better, and I've took off the reflector, 1 because it is faded, and 2 because it's going to make it easier to do. So I think where I've been polishing, I've polished the top but not the bottom, so see if we can clean these up. These are £8 for a pair, but if we can save it, better. So let's get some panel wipe, get it all wiped down, and start with the ceramic. Let's get this done. Still got to do the other side, wet sanding and polishing and ceramic, but if we can get this side done, we're halfway there. Got a pocket full of fresh towels, and now after it's cured for a few minutes, wrap it off. So in the comments, some of you might have already figured out what I did wrong there. Definitely did something wrong there. It has now, I did too much too fast, and basically it's dried really, really hard, and I've messed it up. So I'm having a great time now. Let me get all of this tough bit off. Then we have to start again. Idiot. So I'm kicking myself because after that mistake, I'm gonna start again. It actually is really smooth, so I think that it is fine, but I'm gonna start again anyway and just make sure that it has got a good coating. I just feel like such an idiot for leaving it too long. So this time I'm just gonna do panel by panel. I'm gonna do half, let it cure, do the other half, buff it off, and just slowly work panel by panel. Rushing never gets results, and I'm an idiot. So let's start again. Oh, when you take your time and you do things properly, it's not that hard. When you rush and do too much too fast, you can mess it up. So now we've got a lovely half car. Let's not lie, half car. I've just put some tyre gel on, and I've got some EZ Car Care rim temperature resistant hybrid wheel wax. Whether it's any good I don't know, but some wax is better than no wax. Then this is all ceramic coated now, super wet, super happy with the car, and I think when I go that angle looks the best. So let's get some wheel protection on, then we will sort out the little indicators. I'm going to do something, and I don't want you to get mad. Some of you are going to get mad. So in a second we're going to do something, and I don't want you to get mad. You know who I'm talking to. Some of you are going to get very angry. Just leave it in the comments. You're definitely not going to like what I'm going to do. So, wax up some wheels, annoy some of you lot. Let's go. I know a lot of you are not gonna like this, but I'm doing it anyway because it's my car, and there's two reasons why. These are faded and they look awful, but with a bit of light tint spray, just smoked them so they're shiny, smoked, and look nice. And then I'm gonna do the backlights because the backlights are ruined anyway, so we're gonna need to replace these. So by tinting them, I'm not doing anything. Right now, I don't have money to buy new lights, so I can tint them. Bear with me and let me know, as you always do in the comments, whether you like it or you don't. So I'll show you what those side lights look like a bit later. Rear lights, I'm not going to touch them, they're just too far gone, so there's no point. This thing now looks epic, and the reflection off the back is wonderful. But now we've got to sort out this channel, put some touch up in there, started to clean out these gullies, and I'm just going to go around quickly now and just give the interior a once over. It's not horrific, just a little bit grubby, so it'll be a bit boring watching that, so I'm just going to bang that out quickly and then we'll finish this up because we're nearly there. This is almost ready. That is the end of the 335i for now. There's still a load to do. I need to put the spoiler back on, I need to wet sand the other side, I need to order some replacement lights, I need to replace the front lenses, I need to get the bumpers painted. But a lot of that stuff can all be collected up and done in one video in a couple of weeks time. But for now, I'm going to start using it. It's going to be my daily driver, so I'm going to tax it, put it insured, and I'm going to start driving it every day, put some miles on it. Because when are you ever going to get the chance to own a £1,500, 400 horsepower convertible through the summer? I want to enjoy it. That's the reason that we like cars. The reason I'm pointing this way is because for the next few weeks, we're going to sort this one out. Now, this TT, I've owned it for maybe 2 years. It's a 300 horsepower hybrid turbo, quattro. We need to sort the wheels out. Obviously, the cobwebs that are growing. We need to sort the brakes out. It's sat here, it's damaged. Sat here for a few months with no turbo next to the bin. So for the next few Wednesdays, we need to get that ready because there's a track day on the 18th of July that I want to take that car to. So the next few weeks, we're going to sort that out. The new turbo has been built for the car, cost me £748. Hopefully, it's just going to be a case that we get the new turbo fitted, do an oil change, make sure everything's squared away, then we can take it, put it on the dyno, get an MOT sorted, get the bodywork sorted, and inside, I do this, I'm a nightmare for this, I do this every time. Inside is full of absolute crud, so we need to get all of that cleaned out and ready. So I'll leave you with the cutaways of the 335i. In a few weeks we'll be back to finish off the rear lights, the front lights, the spoiler, the grille, but I'll group everything up because I'm waiting for my X6 to sell, so we've got some money to spend. We are on a budget on the driveway after all. So I'll see you next week. Here's the cutaways. Thanks for watching.